click the like, click the subscribe, and click the notification button to follow my channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let me quickly show you a run through on how to convert your BNB to. So if you want to send BNB to OP BNB, just let me show you. So you just have to look for the network. Once you want to send it, look for this network OPBNB. You're gonna get it, guys. So this is because I don't have any BNB to show you. I'd love to show you some of it for you guys to be able to. Okay, let me see if I could use some of this to do that now, guys. So if you want to do your withdrawal, just once you put your wallet here, just choose OPBNB as your network. After copying your wallet from SafePal, so this is your wallet. Let me just go back and choose it. So you choose your wallet from here. So manage coins. So search for OPBNB. This OPBNB, and you click this to activate it, guys. So once you do that, now I want to do I want to kickstart my account, so I need to change the network from here as well to OPBNB, guys. So once you click on that three dots, go to network settings. So you can see OPBNB, you can search OPBNB here. So I've chosen it here now, guys. So click confirm. Once you click confirm, you tell me to activate and register, guys. You can see. So let me register now. So it's going to tell me to pay network fees. So guys, I'm going to pay network fees now. So I'm going to click confirm. Just don't tamper with this, leave it on this default. So click either of these two can fly, I or middle. So let me click confirm to interact with the blockchain. So let me put my password. So your money will still be your wallet. You're not sending money to anybody. You can see I just initiated a smart contract call. So you can see, guys, and what you can start with is very minute. Just with $3, you can kickstart. $3 to $4, you can kickstart this project, guys. So let me go back to my account. So my account is activated now, guys. So you can start by doing your upgrade here. So So guys, my first upgrade to kickstart this project was 0.44, which you see below. So this is my starter amount. So once I do this, guys, it's now left for me to uh start building my team, guys. So once I build my team, I have my two direct team. I just need two direct team. That's all, guys. The rest is history, guys. So once I get that, you benefit from the pool of team members, guys, joining this platform. So let me just do a bit of. So once you achieve that, you can go ahead and upgrade to the next package that will make you earn higher return, guys. So once you upgrade to the next package, you can earn double of it, guys. You can see today alone 196 users. Previous day, you can see how many BNB. So once you can do this, guys, you can achieve this so easy. So these are the achievements that can be made, that has been made on this platform, guys. So guys, I'm going to share with you the link on how to get started to register and get your safe power wallet. Thank you so much, guys.